Did you attach? Very good. You could have center aligned it. Okay, over here. First review. Um, okay, this is nice. So this is pretty good. I will give feedbacks. Okay. So you could have increased the height so that this white space is not visible. You could have given these buttons here or here on the right or left, like it's misaligned. This could be either here on the left or either on the right or on the center. Like it's a bit misaligned again. The font is good and the font styling is good. You could have given it like this over here, and this text on the left side. Ping me at okay. So you could have increased the width of this to at least 50%. This could be center aligned and the height could be increased. So overall, a good website. I'll just uh, okay. Next is Rama Lakshmi. Okay, I forgot to see the code. Class intro. You could have given these IDs, these, because these are like only one, but no problem in a class. So you can like, even I do give classes sometimes. Okay, so next is Rama. You are there? Huh, she's so, yep, a very good website. Okay, so feedbacks. This looks very good. Like a very professional one. Okay, so did you code everything by yourself?
Actually, I had seen one bootstrap theme. From that, I had chosen some of them.
Okay, so you copied or like you understood and wrote the code like
Hmm,
what?
understood. First, I had checked everything for
Okay,
what I to take in.
okay,
Then I had website.
okay. So did you like type everything like and not like copy and paste, but did you type?
I had first I had copied something. Then I had made modified some of them.
Okay. Okay. So I request everyone like don't copy or paste. If you are like taking reference, just type everything like type header and each and every word type it. If you are copying from Bootstrap, that's okay, but not from any other stuff. So okay, I will give my reviews. So the space between this like this one could be reduced a bit. Okay, this is also fine, but like some of this much could be removed and that could be added at bottom. Skills is fine. Okay. And this one, the font size could be smaller
Okay, sir.
and the text is not visible. And you could have given width 100%, like total. And all these are fine. Same thing, text small.
Okay, sir.
And this space could be have removed. So this is my suggestion on this. Astika Anand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I guess you coded it by yourself, everything.
Yes, sir. Actually, I used Bootstrap libraries and then modified things as per like if you would see
Yep.
there in panel thing
That's
like the default
that's
things,
perfect.
I've changed them as per the required color scheme,
Okay.
whatever I needed.
Yes, yes, that's perfect. That's totally fine. You can copy from Bootstrap, but not from others.
Yes.
Okay, so this is nice. Languages, skills. This is a very good website. Okay,
So this is the
so
last thing I made using panel from Bootstrap.
which one? This one?
There's a panel class. Yes, sir. From there,
No.
like
Okay,
it is panel header, like the whole
okay.
panel basically.
So one suggestion, like, see, these have borders. Okay, and this border is different. So you could have made similar.
Yes.
And okay, this is a default. Okay, so see, there is something overflowing. Okay, see, can you see the vertical, horizontal scroll?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this should not be there in a website. So something like there is something which is causing that. I'll show you what is causing that. You just inspect it, like pop it out and inspect, and just inspect randomly. You can see something going out, I guess. No.
So I think I used container fluid class somewhere instead of container class. That could be a reason.
Might be. Let's see. Huh. Okay, so okay, you can check it like this. Just go and see overflow. See, okay, I got it. This row you have given these two, right? Okay, it is gone. Okay,
No, can you please show that again?
banner image. Inside that there is a row in which you give margin right and margin left. So basically, this row I think grid framework less.
This is from the Bootstrap class.
Okay, so you can overwrite it by giving margin right 0 and important like 0
Hmm.
and 0 important. Important will override the libraries.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I can do it like this important. So what it will happen is it is fixed. Okay, so this was an amazing website, a simple one but a very good one.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so I will look onto our codes even. Okay, and just name all the folders small, like I is capital, so keep it small. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and everything is fine. You can link. Yes, you have linked it right. Okay. So going to the next, Vishali, Vaishali, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I have seen this website somewhere, I feel. So online reference.
Yes, sir. One YouTube video.
Okay, that's totally fine. And the code also you have written yourself, so not an issue. I can see
Yes,
the
sir.
code and tell like if it is copied. Okay, so you understood everything that you wrote, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, you can have added something to this download, and rest are very good. Okay, this is good. Going to the next. I guess I missed one. Aditya Shastri,
Yes, sir.
you there? Okay. Again, you didn't give that index file. You could have given. You should have given index. So this looks very good again. Okay, so rename this to like index.html and move all the folders in one images folder, all CSS in CSS folder, JS files in JS folder. So this was very good. The navbar is very good. The border and everything, really nice. Hover also added. You could have added this like scrolling, like using A,
Yes.
using href. This could be at middle. Okay, this is fine because if it is out as middle, like the mountains could have been covered. Additions lastly. This could have been a smaller. Okay, that's perfectly fine. No issues. Certification code. Okay, the footer could have been improved and rest everything is very good. Okay, so I will give you one suggestion if you want to like make it live, you can do it. Like you can give it to everyone. Just make it at somewhere at the middle and make the background different. Okay, a bit professional. You can use the skills like it is looking very empty over here. So try to do something and make the submit button at the middle and make the footer better. And you can make it like your proper resume like everyone has. So this was one thing. Okay, this is good. See the code. What does this mean? What does this star means?
For everything.
Yep, right. I'll randomly ask questions. Media queries, okay, good. What does this calc do?
Heights.
What, sorry?
Heights, sir.
Okay, this calc is for calculation, like you're
Yeah.
calculating minus, like calculator. Okay. What does this do?
Sir, I have overwritten the table, this thing, sir.
Okay, this is that it's the next slide.
Yeah.
Like we
Given
have,
the margin right thing,
yep,
some
yep.
different pixels, so I have to.
Good one. 11, okay. Okay, so this is a nice one. Okay, so Lavan, hi, you there? I guess not. Okay, just whenever you are seeing the document now, if you are the next one, just give me a call. Like, I'll just ask, like, are you there? So if you are there, I will review yours. Else I will just skip. Not there. Are you there, Nayaka? Hello. No. Okay, skipping this. Gundu, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there, sir.
Okay, so I guess I have seen this.
Yeah, sir,
Okay.
I was about to mention that a couple of months earlier, a senior asked for a help. So he asked me to build a portfolio back then. So I built it by using a reference. So most of the code, I typed the entire code, but I didn't know most of the, exact which part of the code does what thing.
Okay. So one honest suggestion, like you should have done it by yourself, like and not using previous, because I'm not reviewing or giving marks to you. Okay. So like there's no need to
Okay.
do that. You can again submit this portfolio. You can build it yourself and submit it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this is something very nice that there is no port like you have made a repo name with this. This is very good. I'm glad that this is there. I'll check the GitHub index.html jQuery UI. Very good. Okay. What is this? Praveen, are you there? Okay, he is not here. Let's skip. Shivani, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's review. Okay, I've seen this. This is a very nice one. One of the best. So some reviews are like how could it be better? Uh, this could be center aligned. Okay, skills center aligned. Always center align the headings like over here, and
Okay.
it is also misaligned. Like it should be also in the center a bit, a bit tilted. You could have added padding to it. Again, this your margin is bit like shifted towards left, and
Mm,
you could have made it of common height. Like this is going like stairs.
Yes,
It's
sir.
like uh, you could have given
You
a
can put
social
in
media.
carousel also, no?
What?
Or you can use carousel.
Okay, sir.
And this mixing is very nice. Like this is mixing up. What is below this? What is this? 00083?
Visitor count, sir. I have just added. Like,
Okay, does it work?
yeah, yes, sir. It's just a snippet.
Okay, it is working. Okay. Good. Okay. Harnita, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how did you do this?
Key framework, sir.
Okay. Okay, media query is nice. The font, like, see, you didn't use Bootstrap on this?
No, sir, I didn't use.
Okay, you should have, if you have used now, and see, this is touching to my screen. This should not touch, like, it should have margin. Okay,
Okay, sir.
like minimum of this much, like from where I is starting. So this should be the minimum margin, and rest everything is good. Again, the border should be same everywhere.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you for this is good. You added something like till now no one added, I guess. This is nice that you added one end.html. Okay. Richita, are you there?
Yes, sir, I am there.
Okay, nice background. Choice of background is good. Again, margin. You could have given it at like all the headings in center, and like you added italics. So no italics. The contact is remaining. Okay. Okay, overall a good one, but you could have added more sections to it and
Yes,
use
sir, I
less
thought.
images. Because what happens is you are using images. Okay, one thing more. See, this image is like you could have added like this image is not of proper dimension according to the screen. But okay.
Yes, sir. It's overlapped.
Oh, okay. So use less images and everything. One first image is good, but after that don't use it. Okay. Sanchit Gautam. Are you there, Sanchit?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
Okay. Okay, this is really nice. The navbar is here. Okay. Does it stick? No. The navbar should be in top. Okay. Like first thing, CodeChef account and everything linked also very good.
Yes,
This
sir.
is technology is okay, good. See why this is a space over here. So that seems a bit odd, but okay.
Sir, I have
But
added it.
okay, you have added it knowingly.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like slides. Okay,
Sir, I have added my image, but it is not showing now. Near.
I see the code. You gave image for some Google reference, so that's why USRC that is showing that image only. Okay, I guess I'm not getting that. Authorization is my authorization issue.
Okay, so how should I add?
You could have added it in like how are you adding this? Okay, you have given all links.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have added the. I have made it public, so I thought it would open.
No, do this thing now. Just go. I will go to your code. Use local images. Like you could have added it in your code even. Like you make a images folder and paste over there.
Okay.
Okay, GitHub link is
Okay.
missing.
Oh,
Oh, okay, do that only. Like
okay,
add
sir.
one
Okay, sir.
index.jpg over here only. So
Okay,
overall a
sir.
nice website. Okay. Okay, just make this send button a bit bigger and these a bit smaller. Okay, Dharya, are you there? Nope. I'll just skip if you don't say. Rushali?
Yes, sir.
Next is Preeti. Okay. So, okay, I saw these. Hmm. Okay, a minimal one is a very good one. Okay, then again overflow issue, which I told. Just see the overflow thing. Um, oh, okay, a simple one and a nice one. This photo is missing and skills.
Yes, sir. The actually every time I put a photo, it just doesn't take the link. I don't know why.
Why? Okay, you have given C users. This is not available in mine, right? You have to give like there is something called relative position or path, an absolute path in HTML. Just go through this. What is this? Okay, HTML
Okay.
paths. Just search HTML paths W3 schools. You will get the link, or I will send it over here chat.
Yes, sir. I'll search it. Thank you.
Okay, so that was it. You could have added the like linking to it, and that's it. Okay, done. Preeti, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, you could have. How did you do this? The
Yes,
shape.
it's polygon shape.
How did you make it? That's what I'm asking.
Okay, actually, I have seen a YouTube video, and after that, I get that idea.
Okay, so can you explain me how it is made if I ask you?
Okay, but sir, actually, I want to ask you one question first.
Okay.
And then just scroll down some, not mag. Yeah, yeah, some more. Exactly, I'm saying about me part. Like I'm trying to reset it in the right turn, but it cannot work for me. In the
Where do
right,
you want this?
in the right side. Like here is the picture, and I want to do it in that side, right side, but it is not coming.
Okay, you want it to be here. Where do you want it to be exactly? Like
In the
over
right
here?
side. Yeah, in this side. Yeah.
Okay, just be okay. I will just tell it now. Just a minute. So just you have to make it in. You have to change the HTML only. I'll just tell you after the call. Okay,
So
just
did I make any mistake in the CSS part?
uh, a bit like you didn't use. You have used Bootstrap.
No.
Okay, so you have to use Flex. So this is a bit. Okay, I've given Flex 1, Flex 2.
Actually, my project is incomplete. Okay, I have to complete it first. Two or three things I have to add.
Hmm. How have to make this? Okay, these are outside. No, this is inside. Okay, I will just see the code. Like I need to check. Everyone will
Okay.
get bored.
Okay.
So just message me after the call.
Okay, sir.
I'll give a without pink. Priyanshi. Priyanshi, are there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, it is loading. So next one. Muhammad Atif, you are there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay, while it loads, I will see you. Okay, so this is really nice. Okay, again center line.
Sir, sir, it is for the responsiveness of the website. That's why by the grid system, it was only this.
No, see, I will just tell you
Yeah.
how you have to do this.
Like it was not coming in between.
Okay, just give me. Okay, so see, you have to give a text center mx auto. That is not changing.
I tried, sir, but it was not.
Okay, just give me a 1 minute. Where this is there now, mx auto and text center. It should work, I guess, due to the width.
Yes, sir. Due to the width, it was not. If it changes anything, it enlarges so much that then that अगर उसको small view में करेंगे तो फिर वो सर कट जाता था. तो responsiveness भी देखते हुए सर कर रहे थे तो ऐसे ही रह गया.
ओके ठीक है, मैं ये कुछ तो मतलब लाइक कुछ ना कुछ करके तो हो ही जाएगा, बट वही देखना पड़ेगा कि क्या.
हाँ सर, वो तो हो जाएगा. ऐसा तो इम्पॉसिबल तो नहीं है.
वही देखता हूँ.
सर MX ऑटो से तो बस वो फोटो तो अलाइन नहीं हो पाता था. बस सेंटर अलाइन वो तो हो जाएगा, टेक्स्ट हो जाएगा उससे फिर.
नहीं फोटो के लिए, हाँ फोटो के लिए, सॉरी, इमेज
फोटो
को
के लिए
मार्जिन राइट देंगे ना, ऑटो तो होता है।
ऑटो, अच्छा शॉर्ट हैंड यूज कर देते सर, ज्यादा आसान होता।
कुछ तो आया पर पता नहीं, देखता हूँ मैं। एक बार मेरे को कोड देना है इसका, ठीक है?
कोड है सर, रेपो पे है कोड, सारा रेपो पे है।
ओके, आफ्टर द कॉल देखते हैं इसको। वही थोड़ा दिमाग लगा, एक बार मैंने सेंटर लाइन करने में कॉज कार्ड में विड्थ देते हैं ना, विड्थ के कारण वो
सब
सारे
बाकी सब तो
कंटेनर
ठीक है
देना
ना?
पड़ता है। हाँ बाकी
सब
सब अच्छा, मैं देखा ही नहीं, सॉरी। हाँ, तो इसका रिव्यू दे रहा था ना। तो बैकग्राउंड का यहाँ जो वाइट स्पेसिंग है इसको कम कर देते हैं,
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है? बाकी सब ऊपर का सही है। एंड भाई तेरा वाइट स्पेसिंग बहुत ज्यादा है, सो डिक्रीज द वाइट स्पेसिंग।
ओके
इसको इधर डाल दे, वाइट स्पेसिंग कम हो गई। सेंटर लाइन कर दे, देन इसमें भी
ओके
देख इतनी वाइट स्पेसिंग है, इतनी जरूरत ही नहीं है। नीचे वाली सही है और नीड विथ ओके,
इसको हाइड
ठीक
कर
है।
दिया ना, वहां पे हट जाएगा वो वहां से।
हाँ, ये ठीक है। देन नेक्स्ट पे जाते हैं। हाँ, ओवरऑल वेरी गुड था, बहुत अच्छा था। इस पे तेरा बस वही है कि सेंटर नहीं हो रहा था, वो देखते हैं अभी।
ओके
हेलो नैन्सी वादिया। ओके, सो
Hello, sir.
या
Sir, you haven't checked my website that's loading at that
ओके,
time.
यस सॉरी माय बैड।
Yes, sir.
आई गेस आई क्लोज्ड इट, नो।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. At that time it closed.
Okay, so see, you are removing the border, so it is moving a bit, right?
Yes, sir.
Give it a border of transparent so that it won't move, like the whole system won't move.
Okay, okay, sir.
Just one minute. Mhm. Okay, so again vertical scrolling. No, sorry, horizontal scrolling. Um, okay, you have added hover. This is nice. Okay, this could be center aligned again. Contact. Okay, this is nice. As a beginner, this is very good. Green, Nancy. Okay. Nancy, did you take any reference? Like the initial loader and everything? Mike. Yes, in the SCSS. Okay, you are using SCSS. Okay, just try to build one yourself without like taking any much like copying basically. Cause like if you are writing anything, just write all the part yourself and don't use SCSS for now. Just go with normal CSS and JS. Cause I've seen all these. See, that's it. So try to build it yourself. Okay, take everything like try to build everything by yourself. Okay, so next. Um, I don't know how to spell your name. Genies, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Did I spell your name correctly?
No, Genies.
Genies, okay. Bye-bye. Okay, so there's a bond, not resume. You could have made it a button.
Yes, sir.
And you could have added some padding to this, like some white spacing, and again some white spacing to this. Either you have given href nice, contact LinkedIn. Okay, this is nice. Okay, try to improve a bit. Like you can improve a lot, I know. So yep, so that was my review.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much for submitting. And now next. Neeraj 69. Okay. Okay, this is a very good website, I guess. How did you do this, Neeraj? Are you there?
So, which one, sir?
This text is changing.
Sir, like animation spin.
How? Can you explain? Did you use JavaScript?
No, sir. JavaScript in the submit button I used for a message, for a pop-up message. That's all.
Did you code everything by yourself?
Sir, I used JavaScript. No, sorry, Bootstrap, and for this follow me, I took the like help from Google. All the buttons, how to like give
For
this.
this change in text.
Yeah, I googled out like how to. I had previously seen some portfolio websites of my friend, and they also use like such kinds of animation stuff. So I googled out how to do this, and yes.
Okay, so what did you understand? Like every code, like whatever you have written, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then going to next. Okay, e-commerce website user rating again as overflow, X overflow. Okay, this could be made working. Login, sign up. Okay, it is working. Action page.php. Okay, nice. .405 not allowed. What is this? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So where did you learn PHP or from where did
No,
you
sir,
make?
I took the reference from the Google.
Okay. Okay. So PHP. Okay. Got it. Okay. This is nice. Okay, I gave the like feedback like this overflow first thing. Second thing, you could have added something like on clicking, which like something should have happened. Search button, okay. User rating, okay. You could have added a padding at below so that it doesn't touches like, bottom like margin. That's it from my side. Are you there, Devanshi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so you could have improved it a lot, I would say. Nothing is visible as properly. Okay, so
Sir, like I have tried it first time, so I didn't knew well like how
yes,
to.
everyone is trying first, and just no worries if you are like for first website you have tried a lot. That's I'm just saying how could have you improved. Okay, so I'm saying everyone like how you could have improved. So this could be made text white color. Okay, so if you have given it white color, like you have given it blue color because it's a link. Yep. So that is how it is visible, but this is not visible. So you could have tried that.
Okay, sir.
This is working. This is nice. and give a like white background, whitish background if you don't want to change the color. So Aryan, you are there? No, I don't think so. Bhavna, you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the moving part is got project. Okay, the background is okay. This is similar to my website. The background. Okay, so this could have been like this is overflowing. Did you see this? So
Yes, sir.
you could have
Sir,
made it.
actually I have to add more things, but I didn't get time with my academics, so
Okay,
I made
so
this in like 1 or 2 go. After that, I don't get time to.
okay, so by tomorrow,
Complete.
can you give me one?
Okay, sir. I will try.
Okay, so I will and just DM me. I will give the review there.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, so just try to do that. Prerna, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so same thing for you. You could have this is very good. Whatever you made, the margin this thing could have been removed. And second thing is like you can't have added more pages. There's a single page. So try to make it
Actually,
like
sir, I have added 3 pages
okay.
and everything on GitHub site.
I will check it. I guess you forgot to link then. Didn't link with okay. You have 3. You forgot to link it. About HTML. Okay, this is nice. And contact.html. Okay, and about .html. Okay, contact.html you didn't make, I guess. And hobbies.
So skills, next skills.
Sorry, what? Okay, skills. This is nice. You have made border and everything. Okay, this is a nice project. Venkat Ramana, are you there? Hello, buddy. Are you there? No, I don't think so. Okay, so Rakesh, do you want to tell anything? Okay, so I will just check again. Karthik, are you there? No. Lavan?
Yes, I have also put few links in the chat. You can just check them.
Okay, I missed it.
And you can put it there in the document.
Sir, I left. Okay, Akshat. Akshat. I saw Akshat somewhere. Akshat, can you give the link? Akshat, just send me the link again. Ayush Verma, I guess. I took it. Okay. Okay, so that's it. No more than Akshat, Ayush, and Akshat, Ayush, and this. Okay. We- Okay. Nice alert. Okay. So over. This is very good. Okay. You could have added a submit like thank you for coming. Okay. Overall, a good website. Okay. Website link. Okay. There's some other. One. This is also another. Okay, so I don't have the link of Mayuri. Mayuri, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Didn't give like post it. You didn't host it, I guess. Just give the link of the hosted one if you can. Rajatta, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so this is. I guess I reviewed this one or. Similar one I have reviewed, so you can like this is overall very good website. No comments. Okay, Ayush. Ayush TV. Okay, meanwhile I will let him rest. Ayush, you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay, you could have added. Okay, this is here only. So my social media accounts and okay. See, you have given these two are same heading. So give this also the same heading. Like you can maintain one decorum
Yes, yes.
and
Actually, I
rest
thought
everything
to
is
add
good.
a form also, but I didn't got time. I thought to add
Okay,
form.
by tomorrow you can do it then. I'll just
Okay.
mark. Okay, Akshat. Akshat, hi. So again, use less images.
Hello. Yes.
Use less images. Footer could have been better, like more width and everything.
Okay.
Submit does it do? Okay, 404.
Actually, I haven't worked on the form work.
Okay, no issues.
Actually,
Rest,
only the form I have copied from Bootstrap. Otherwise, I have made it by myself. The
okay.
whole thing.
The background is nice, like you added animation
It is a
and
GIF.
that's, I mean that one like and this spacing like that it is not match like overflowing and everything. Okay, this is very good. Okay, just see how to add like this is going too fast. So just see how to add a like smooth
Okay,
animation.
I will add the transition time.
No, you can't do like that. You have to use wait, HTML scroll.
Parallax scrolling.
Okay, smooth scroll.
See, scroll behavior smooth. You can add to HTML and it will do it.
Okay,
And
okay, I
rest
will.
everything is fine. Okay, this is also fine.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So going next, Mali Jetty, are you there?
Yes, yes, brother. I'm there.
Okay, very good one. You can have added like this is center align. You could have done it at left align only because the spacing is a bit odd.
Okay,
Again, same left align.
okay, bro.
These are good. This is good. Good. Very good. Very good. Yeah.
Can you check dark mode also? I have also.
Oh, this is very nice. Amazing, bro. See, these are creative. Like, I didn't say to add dark mode, but he did of his own. He did. Nice. Okay. Okay, nice. Flipping cards. Click dots to view. Okay. Okay, got it. Okay, this is also nice. Again, the overflow, horizontal overflow. And you could have linked everything, all the sections. So this was again one review. Just mark all is done. Okay, this was it. Any more? M. Shivani. Okay, this is good. Contact me. Okay, again, like similar kind of structuring. Submit button inside the form always. Okay, this is also nice. Okay, this one, like what it is, I don't. This should have been at the top, unless everything is fine. Okay, then I guess that's from my side. Anything you want to add, Rajesh Bhaiya?
In students have put a lot of effort, and that can be seen.
Yes, this is
And
very.
the best thing is all of them have actually put their own idea